Good morning class. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 9, algebraic expression. In this first we have to understand what is algebraic expression. In this you can see this is 3 plus 2x, 3x plus 2, 0, 9xy, 8p upon q, 25 plus 2, 70 plus 1, 71 plus 0, or this. So algebraic expression is a combination of a numerical or variable. Then like you can see this is a new number and this is a variable plus 2, so it's making an equation. Here 0, 25 plus 21 plus 0 are numerical expressions. You can see this is all these are not having the variable. It means these are only numerical expressions. And in this you can see the variables are also connected with this: p upon q, a square, b cube, x y plus x. So these are algebraic expression. When the numbers and alphabets make a equation, when the numbers and the alphabets make the equation, so that is called as the algebraic expression. In this you can see algebraic expression are formed with variable and constants. For example, expression 9x plus 7 is formed with variable x and constant 9 and 7. You can see this is constant 9 and 7, and x is here, that is x is variable. In this algebraic expression can be named as monomial, binomial, trinomial according to the number of the terms contained in this. What is the meaning of this? We will study it here. That this is having only one term like x. This is also having one term q upon 8. This is also having one term only 9 cube. You can see there is a comma in this. If you will zoom in your book, you will check your book to see commas here, and it is having only one term, so that is called as monomial because it contains only one term. Then you can see in this variable, in this equation, there is two terms in this: x plus x y, 3x or y here. So these are two terms, so that is called as binomial. These are also two terms in this equation: 2p plus q, 3x plus 9. In this also two terms. When the two terms are there, so that is called as binomial. When there are three terms in the expression: 2a square, b square plus 2ab. So here in this one equation there are three terms: px plus qy plus rz. So there are also these are also three terms. So that is if there are three terms in the equation, that is called as trinomial. And when it is having more than three: a b c, a b b c c a b c, so there you can see that is more than 3, so that is called as polynomial. Now degrees of the expressions. In this you can see that if there are degrees, means the power is there on the variable, so that is called as the degree of the expressions. Like first we'll take linear polynomial. A polynomial of power 1 is called the linear polynomial, like 3x. There is no power written above the x here. There is no power written above the x, no power at the y. So these are called as the linear polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial, a polynomial of power 2 called the quadratic, x square. Here you can see the x square is here, and in this also you can see if you will add it, so there is no power, but this is only x square here, which makes the power 2, that it is a quadratic polynomial. Now cubic polynomial, a polynomial of power 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Like here you can see this is written here cube, this is also written here cube. So these are called as the cubic polynomial. Now what is like terms and unlike terms? Like terms means as it is having the same variables with the same exponent are called the like terms. Let's take the example. Like this is 42x and minus 5x. So these are having the same variable. In this x square is here and x square is here, same. So that is called as like terms. Now these are unlike terms, the terms which is not having the same variable with the different exponents. So that is called as in this variables called as unlike terms. Like this is 5x and 5y. So you can see that this is x and this is y, different variables. So these are unlike. This is x square and this is y square. So this is unsame. So it means that will be unlike term. So you have to do example 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 from page number 135 in your practice copy. Thank you.